Hey guys, it's Ed again, and I'm here to show you how to apply the Cricut for shoemaking. Let's go! This time around, we're going to cut a star onto the upper. First, you're going to want to cut out a piece of laminate, then apply it. Make sure to smooth out all the air bubbles. Next, finalize the position and then place it down. Remember, when cutting with leather, we want extra security. Don't forget to tape those edges. Now, go into Cricut and insert a star and cut reference. We never forget to include the cutting reference square. After that, adjust the star's dimensions and position as necessary. Go into Cut Preview and finalize the location you plan to cut. Make sure it matches with your material on the mat. Once you're ready, load the mat into the Cricut. It's time to cut and watch the Cricut do its magic. Now on to the best part, the peel. Wow, this looks great. I think it turned out great. I hope this tutorial helps, and be sure to show us your shoe creations using the Cricut. I'll see you guys at the Brooklyn Shoe Space soon.